Hi, I'm Lindsay with Apartment Guide. If you've decided to move, it's really important to give notice that you're leaving, and do it the right way. How you do it affects your security deposit and any future reference you might need. Check your lease. Look for the part that says how far in advance you have to say you're leaving. Your lease will also tell you if you have to give notice in writing and how your deposit will be affected if you don't do this by the rules. Talk to your landlord or leasing office. Tell your manager you need to move and talk through what's expected of you. A conversation can be a lot easier than reading a lease. Ask any questions you have, and be sure to do this at least a month in advance. Write your notice of intent to vacate. The safest way to give notice and get your security deposit back is by mailing your notice of intent. Pay for a signed delivery form to be sent back to you, so you have dated proof of having mailed your notice. Use these tips and you're good to go. Literally.